How much did you pay for your air ticket?
Oh my god, I think it was during the peak seasons. I paid.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nafula. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend that you subscribe. But if you've already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching my videos.
187,000 Kenya shillings.
And that was one-way ticket, correct?
That was one-way ticket.
Wow. You remember how much total you spent on just green card lottery, including like your ticket and stuff? Do you remember? How much did you spend?
Yeah, approximately 350 up to 400,000 Kenya shillings.
Up to 400,000, including the medical, correct?
Including everything, upkeep and everything.
Okay. How much was the medical?
53,000 Kenya shillings.
53,000. So that's 400 and something dollars.
Yeah, but it depends, I think.
Yeah, it depends. If you need like vaccinations and stuff, then it's gonna be more. If you need less vaccinations, then probably it's gonna be less. So just one person, you have to pay like over 300,000. So can you imagine if you're a family of 5?
Wow.
That's up there, right?
Yeah.
Former classmates are gonna see this video. When you told them to apply, they didn't. So they're probably gonna see this video. You know, now this one is like a sure bet that you made it to America. So what do you want to tell them?
I want to tell them that you don't have to be scared because of the amount that you're going to spend. That is the first thing. It's worth it.
Exactly.
It's worth it.
Because you're gonna make like more being here.
Make more. Now
you're still waiting to start making money, but then you're gonna get there.
Yeah, and the second thing is you have to take risk. If you don't know someone, if you don't know whether your visa will be denied or will be approved, that's a risk. You have to take risk in life.
Exactly.
Yeah, and the other thing is that you have to find someone. You have to connect to someone to assist you. For example, me, I got someone who assisted me through the process. You have to find someone who is there.
So I remember like I have a WhatsApp group that only for the people I host.
Yeah.
I'm gonna host. I don't have a WhatsApp group for everybody because it gets out of control. So you were in that group, and then I think you're the third one to come, like from that group at this time. So do you think the group was helpful in some way? What did you make any connections? Did you ask any questions? Do you think it was helpful?
Yeah, of course it was helpful, by the way, because now you can see someone like you want green card.
You have the same questions, right?
Yeah. Green card process is a bit scary. You seeing someone who is there and you are not alone. Like you are not alone. Yeah. You have to keep yourself motivated. You have friends. They just tell you this and this. It was helpful by the way.
Now let's talk about here. I know you've met Juma. You'll meet Elia. You meet other people. But what do you think about the experience? Do you feel like I'm here and I'm a foreigner, I'm a stranger, I'm here and it's family? Like, what is your feeling like being in this hosting? Like, from your point of view, you know, I host, so I don't know. But from your point of view, what do you think?
Okay, my point of view is I feel at home. Yeah, because I'm not the first one. There are some others who are here, they are making it. Everyone is welcoming you, a warm welcome. Because you are treated well.
Nice.
They are so kind and they are so much more than willing to help.
That's what I like about everybody who stays here. Like they're willing to chip in. Like you won't sleep hungry, you won't like a Uber, or like everybody's willing to help you like brother. You live like brothers and sisters, especially here. So I'm interviewing, usually I interview at my house, but today I'm interviewing at one of the hosting sites. So this is the place where he lives.
Yeah.
So I'm in your house, guys. So and Juma just came from work, so he can't do an interview or anything like that. But we'll talk to him later. Juma also just came back from Africa, so he's a little bit tired still. What do you think you can tell people to prepare? Like to prepare either in the process or immigration to come to a different country. What did you wish that you know now that you will have known then that will have been helpful? Do you have anything that you think like, wow, if I knew this earlier, it would be much better for me?
Maybe getting a skill before coming here.
Exactly.
It will be an advantage, by the way.
Exactly. And say even if it's just painting, like even
Yeah.
if it's just making hair,
Yeah.
like just having a skill, you can have a side job. So now that you know you got here, you didn't have a job and stuff like that. Did you think like you felt out of place? Did you feel like, okay, now I don't know what I'm doing? Like, how did you feel being without a job? Everybody's going to work and you're new. Like, how did you feel? Did you feel out of place? How did you feel?
No, I don't feel like that at all. Of course, things don't happen that so fast. You have to wait a little bit.
You have to be patient. Wait
You have
for
to
your
work
social. Yeah.
Work on your social. Charlene is here helping me out get a job. All that.
So you're settled, you're just patient, you know, like things will fall into place.
Sure.
No rush. Because sometimes you get people, you want to host people and then they come here, they want to rush you, and I'm like, I'm just a stranger. I decided to help you. If you went to your family member, you'll stay 5 months without a job. Here, you are here 3 weeks and you're trying to rush me. And I'm like, you know what, I'm not. So you have to be patient because everybody in America is busy. Patience is the best thing. You get a lot of things by being patient. So what is your last shot?
Okay, you guys keep on trying. I'm sure you will like it much when you are here. And I promise you, when you are going to fall into good hands, like I did, you'll be happy. I think it's a good start point.
Yeah. And you just see everybody who's looking out for everybody here. You see how they're doing well and you know you're gonna do well. You're gonna drive a car like Haruna does, you know?
Yeah.
So that's a motivating factor, like, you know what, I'm gonna get there.
Yeah.
It's gonna take time,
Yeah.
but you'll get there.
Sure, because the other guys they are making a lot of money. Oh my God.
You can't wait.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, you'll get there. You'll get there. Everybody starts from somewhere.
Yeah, sure.
So it's gonna be slow. Usually I tell people, and then it depends with the season. So just give yourself at least, you know what, if it's high season, 2 weeks you can get a job. If it's slow season, maybe a month. Depends on when your social comes in. So everybody's experience is different. But at the end of the day, you all will make it. You'll be on the same page. So do you encourage people to come here, or do you want them to go somewhere else?
Oh, please,
Only
guys.
the good ones. We don't want Kisirani ones.
Oh, guys, please. You are supposed to be here.
True.
Yeah.
We welcome everybody.
This is home.
Yeah.
Away from home.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We don't want drama though. Like if somebody is drama queen, drama king, and somebody, you know, some people are just very toxic, or they just like, you know, like to create chaos. They're not welcome here. We like people who are just peaceful and you just feel good for everybody. No sinister motive or anything like that. All right. It was nice talking to you today. Thanks for your time. We know time here is value. You've already realized time in America, they value their time. You have to be everywhere on time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right. Nice talking to you, and we'll see you again. We'll interview you when you start working, and we'll see where you're at that time.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.